Imagine a farm where crops tell you exactly what they need, where pests are detected before they spread, and where a single decision powered by artificial intelligence can save thousands of dollars in inputs while boosting yields. This is not the future anymore, it is happening right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into how AI and drones are transforming modern agriculture, changing the way farmers plan, monitor, and manage their fields with unmatched precision, speed, and intelligence. From the outside, the most visible change in modern agriculture is what you see above the fields. Drones have become the new eyes of the farm, flying over crops with sleek designs, lightweight frames, and advanced sensors mounted beneath their wings. These agricultural drones are built to handle tough environments, with durable exteriors, weather-resistant materials, and aerodynamic structures that allow stable flight even in windy conditions. Multi-rotor drones are commonly used for detailed inspections because they can hover and move slowly, while fixed-wing drones cover hundreds of acres in a single flight. High-resolution, RGB cameras, multispectral sensors, thermal cameras, and LiDAR units are neatly integrated into their compact bodies, giving farmers a powerful tool that looks simple from the outside but carries advanced technology within. Inside these systems is where the real transformation happens, and this part is surprisingly simple for the user. The interior experience is mostly digital, accessed through tablets, smartphones, or computers. Farmers interact with clean dashboards, easy turn maps, and AI-powered software that processes data automated. Instead of complicated controls, most platforms offer intuitive interfaces where flight paths are planned with a few taps. Data is uploaded to the cloud, and results are displayed in clear visual formats. This interior digital environment is designed to save time, reduce complexity, and make advanced technology accessible even to farmers without a technical background. When it comes to performance, AI and drones are redefining efficiency in agriculture. Drones can survey large fields in minutes, capturing detailed images that would take days or weeks to collect manually. AI algorithms analyze this data to assess crop health, identify nutrient deficiencies, detect water stress, and spot pest infestations at an early stage. Using vegetation indices like NDVI and NDRE, AI highlights problem areas with pinpoint accuracy. This allows farmers to act quickly and precisely, applying fertilizers, pesticides, or irrigation only where needed. The result is higher yields, lower input costs, and more sustainable farming practices. Performance is not just about speed, it is about smarter decisions based on real data. Another major performance advantage is precision spraying. AI-powered drones equipped with spraying systems can apply chemicals with incredible accuracy, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. These drones adjust spray rates automatically based on crop density and health, ensuring uniform coverage while avoiding overapplication. Compared to traditional ground sprayers or manned aircraft, drone spraying is faster to deploy, safer to operate, and more efficient in hard-to-reach areas. In hilly terrain, wet fields, or small plots, drones outperform conventional equipment, making them a game-changer for farms of all sizes. Safety features play a critical role in the adoption of AI and drones in agriculture. Modern agricultural drones are equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors, GPS stabilization, and automated return-to-home functions. While real-time monitoring alerts operators to low battery levels or signal interference. On the AI side, data security and system reliability are key safety aspects. Cloud platforms use encryption and secure servers to protect sensitive farm data, while machine learning models are continuously updated to improve accuracy and reduce errors. Safety also extends to human health and environmental protection. By reducing the need for manual spraying and field inspections, drones limit farmers' exposure to harmful chemicals and harsh working conditions. AI-driven recommendations help avoid overuse of fertilizers and pesticides, reducing runoff into water sources and protecting soil health. In this way, safety features are not just about preventing accidents, but about creating a healthier and more sustainable farming ecosystem. One of the strongest unique selling points of AI and drones in agriculture is real-time decision-making. Instead of relying on guesswork or outdated information, farmers receive up-to-date insights that reflect current field conditions. AI systems can predict yield outcomes, recommend optimal planting dates, and even forecast disease outbreaks based on weather patterns and historical data. This predictive capability gives farmers a competitive edge. These technologies can be used on small family farms as well as large commercial operations, adapting to different crops, climates, and management styles. Integration is another powerful advantage. AI platforms can connect with existing farm management systems, tractors, irrigation controllers, and weather stations. Data collected by drones feeds directly into these systems, creating a unified digital ecosystem where every decision is informed by accurate, real-time information. This level of integration reduces duplication of work, improves coordination, and streamlines operations across the entire farm. Customization also stands out, as AI models can be trained to recognize specific crops, soil types, and regional challenges, making the technology highly adaptable. Cost and pricing are often a major concern, but the landscape is becoming more accessible every year. Entry-level agricultural drones with basic imaging capabilities can start at a few $1,000s, while advanced models with multispectral sensors and spraying systems can range higher depending on features. AI software is often offered through subscription models, with pricing based on acreage, data usage, or feature sets. While the initial investment may seem significant, the return on investment is where the value becomes clear. Reduced input costs, higher yields, labor savings, and improved efficiency often offset the upfront expenses within a few seasons. Many service providers also offer drone as service models, allowing farmers to access the benefits without owning the equipment. In addition to direct costs, AI and drones help reduce hidden expenses. Early detection of crop issues prevents large-scale losses, while precise input application cuts waste. Labor costs are reduced as fewer manual inspections are needed, and fuel savings are achieved by minimizing unnecessary tractor passes. Over time, these savings add up, making a high-driven agriculture not just innovative, but economically practical. The impact of AI and drones is also reshaping how farmers think about their land. Fields are no longer managed as uniform blocks, but as dynamic systems with unique zones and needs. AI-generated maps reveal variations in soil, fertility, moisture, and crop vigor that were previously invisible. This zone-based management approach leads to smarter resource allocation and more resilient farming systems. It also supports sustainable practices by promoting efficient use of water and nutrients, which is increasingly important in the face of climate change. Looking ahead, the evolution of AI and drones promises even greater transformation. Advances in machine learning, computer vision, and sensor technology will continue to improve accuracy and reduce costs. Autonomous drone fleets, fully integrated with farm machinery and AI advisors, are becoming a reality. These systems will work together seamlessly, monitoring crops, applying treatments, and updating management plans automatically. The role of the farmer is shifting from manual labor to strategic decision-making, supported by intelligent tools that enhance expertise rather than replace it. In conclusion, AI and drones are revolutionizing modern agriculture by bringing precision, efficiency, and intelligence to every stage of farming. From powerful exteriors designed for rugged field conditions to simple digital interiors that make complex data easy to understand, these technologies deliver outstanding performance with strong safety features. Their unique selling points lie in real-time insights, predictive analytics, seamless integration, and scalability across farm sizes. While pricing varies, the long-term benefits in productivity, sustainability, and profitability make AI and drones a smart investment for the future of farming. As agriculture continues to evolve, one thing is clear. Farms that embrace AI and drone technology are not just keeping up with change, they are leading it.